Presentation on Growth Share Approaches to Competitor Analysis BCG Matrix by Akshata, MCOM Previous, MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala. Meaning Competitor Analysis in Marketing and Strategic Management is an assessment of strength and weakness of current and potential competitors. In competitor analysis, we are understanding the strength and weakness of the current and future competitors. One common and useful technique in constructing a competitor. The steps include first one, defining the industry, which means what is the industry, determining who the competitors are, which who are the competitor enter into the market. Next one, determining who the customers are and what benefit they expect. Who are the customer enter into the market and what are the benefit they are expect of the product. Next one, determining the key strength. Next one, rate each competitor on each of key success features. Boston Consulting Group matrix or BCG matrix. BCG matrix is a four cell matrix developed by BCG in USA. According to this matrix, business could be classified as high or low according to their industry growth rate and relative market share. The BCG matrix has classified as a industry growth rate and relative market share. The relative market share is calculated by using the formula strategic business unit sales this year minus leading competitor sales this year, and market growth rate calculated as a industry sales this year minus industry sales last year. BCG matrix has four cells with horizontal axis representing relative market share and the vertical axis denoting the market growth rate. Showing the picture of BCG growth share matrix, dogs, cash cow, question mark, and stars. In dogs, there will be a market share and market growth are very low. In cash cow, high market share and low market growth. In question mark, there will be a low market share and high market growth. In stars, market share and market growth are high. First one, stars. Stars represents business units having large market share in fast growing industry. They may generate cash, but because of fast growing market, stars require huge investment to maintain their lead. Net cash flow is usually modest. Stars can be require a huge investment to maintain their lead in high, and net cash flow is usually a modest. Next one, cash cows. Cash cows represents business units having a large market share in a mature, slow growing industry. Cash cow requires a little investment and generate cash that can be utilized for investment in other business units. Cash cow has a require little investment, and cash cow having a large market share in a mature, slow growing industry. Dogs. Dogs represents business having a weak market shows in a low growth market. They neither generate cash nor require huge amount of cash. Due to low market share, these business units face cost disadvantages. In dogs, they are having a weak market shows in a low growth markets. The market share, this business having a facing the cost disadvantages. Next one, question mark. Question mark represents business unit having a low relative market share and located in a high growth industry. The question mark will be located in a high growth industry. There will be a low relative market share. They require huge amount of cash to maintain as I gain market share. They were gaining the market share requiring the high amount of the cash. Limitation of the BCG matrix. First one, BCG matrix classifies business as low and high, but generally can be medium also. In BCG matrix classified as low and high, but sometimes they are generally medium also. Market is not clearly defined in this model. The market will be not clearly defined in this model. Third one, high market share does not always lead to high profits. These are high costs also involved with the high market share. Last one, growth rate and relative market share are not the indicators of the profitability. Thank you.